Imagine transforming your static images into dynamic videos with just a few clicks. Intrigued? Stay tuned to discover the best free AI tools that can make this a reality. First up, we have Kaiber, a versatile AI tool that turns text prompts, images, or even music into captivating animations. Perfect for those looking to experiment with video creation. Next, meet Pika, a user-friendly AI video generator known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Ideal for creating short, dynamic videos from text prompts. Runway Gen 2 and Gen 3 are at the forefront of AI-driven content creation. Gen 3 offers surreal, detailed outputs, while Gen 2 is freely accessible and integrates seamlessly with platforms like Canva. Phenaki is an open-source marvel, designed to generate coherent and high-quality video sequences from text prompts. A must-try for developers and AI enthusiasts. Kapwing is a comprehensive video editing platform that also includes AI-driven video generation. Create videos from scripts or articles, perfect for social media content. Kaiber's free version is a great starting point, offering a variety of styles and effects to transform your static images into dynamic content. Pika's free plan provides enough credits for daily use, making it a solid choice for quick, simple video content creation. Runway's tools are particularly useful for artists and marketers looking to generate unique visual content from text, with Gen 2 being freely accessible. Whether you're a developer, a creative professional, or just looking to enhance your social media presence, these free and open-source AI tools offer powerful alternatives to paid software. Dive in and start creating. AI technology for video generation is advancing rapidly, with many free and open-source tools now available that rival or even surpass paid options. Here's a roundup of the latest and best AI tools for converting images and text prompts into videos, suitable for creative projects, social media, and more. Kaiber. Kaiber is a versatile AI tool that allows users to create animations from text prompts, images, or even music. Although it has some limitations, Kaiber's free version is a great starting point for experimentation, with paid plans available for those needing more features. This tool stands out for its ability to transform static images into dynamic video content, offering a variety of styles and effects. Pika. Pika is a user-friendly AI video generator that gained popularity quickly for its ease of use and effective results. It excels in creating short, dynamic videos from text prompts, though it works best with specific inputs. The free plan provides enough credits for daily use, making it a solid choice for those needing quick, simple video content. Runway's AI tools have been at the forefront of AI-driven content creation. While Gen 3 offers more surreal and detailed video outputs, Gen 2 is freely accessible and integrated with platforms like Canva. These tools are particularly useful for artists and marketers looking to generate unique visual content from text. Phenaki Open Source. Phenaki is an open-source project implementing a state-of-the-art approach to video generation using text prompts. Built on advanced models, it's designed to generate coherent and high-quality video sequences, making it a valuable tool for developers and AI enthusiasts looking to experiment with the latest technology. Explore Phenaki on GitHub. Kapwing. Kapwing stands out as a comprehensive video editing platform that also includes AI-driven video generation capabilities. It allows users to create videos from scripts or articles, making it particularly useful for social media content creation. The platform offers robust customization options, and while it includes paid features, the free version is sufficient for most basic needs. These tools provide a wide range of capabilities, from generating short, animated clips to producing more complex and stylized video content. Whether you're a developer, a creative professional, or just someone looking to enhance your social media presence, these free and open-source options offer powerful alternatives to paid software.